A Thai court has sentenced two ethnic Uyghur men to death over the 2015 bombing at Bangkok's Erawan shrine. The blast struck a popular tourist site in central Bangkok. 20 people were killed and more than 120 injured. CNA correspondent Saksith Saiyasombut attended the verdict reading.
It was a lengthy verdict reading, spanning 50 pages and taking 3 hours until the Bangkok South Criminal Court handed out death sentences against the two main suspects in the deadly 2015 Erawan shrine bombing in central Bangkok. A panel of judges found the defendants, Bilal Mohammed and Yusufu Mirali, guilty on multiple charges, including premeditated murder and causing an explosion that resulted in the deaths and serious injuries. Prosecutors and police argued that both men were responsible for the bomb attack at the popular Erawan shrine on August 17, 2015, which killed 20 people. Most of the victims were foreign tourists from mainland China, Hong Kong, Malaysia and Singapore. The defendants, both ethnic Uyghurs, appeared calm and stoic throughout much of the court proceedings, listening through interpreters. But after the verdict was delivered, Mr. Mirali stood up and addressed those in the courtroom in Thai. He expressed his condolences to the victims and their families, but denied any involvement in the attack and described the court's decision as unjust. In explaining the death sentences, the judges said the severity of the crime warranted the harshest punishment available under Thai law, given the multiple offences committed through a single deadly act. While death sentences are not uncommon in Thailand, they are rarely being carried out. Thailand's most recent execution was in 2018, just 1 year shy of a 10-year moratorium that would have expired the death sentence. The ruling brings to a close a trial that lasted more than a decade, involved hundreds of witnesses and was delayed several times. But it is not the end of the case. Defense lawyers said they plan to appeal the verdict as the ruling was issued by a court of first instance.
คืออย่างนี้ในส่วนของสิทธิในการอุทธรณ์เนี่ยจำเลยเขามีสิทธิ์อยู่แล้วเพราะมีหลายประเด็นที่ศาลยังไม่ได้หยิบยกขึ้นมาวินิจฉัยซึ่งเราก็ต้องอุทธรณ์ให้กับจำเลยเขาครับ
Even after the verdict, many questions remain unanswered, chief among them the motive for the attack, which has never been officially established. At that time, police said the bombing was an act of revenge carried out by a human trafficking network in response to the then military government's crackdown on its operation. Authorities treated the case as a criminal act rather than terrorism. But political observers and security experts have pointed towards Thailand's repatriation of 100 Uyghurs to China 2 months before the bombing as a possible motive. China has been accused of mistreating the Muslim minority group. However, Beijing denies the allegations and also denies the suggestions that the repatriations have something to do with the bombing. The Erawan shrine remains one of Bangkok's most popular tourism spots. Yet there's little at the site, no plaque, no memorial or marker, to remind visitors of one of the deadliest attacks in modern Thai history. Saksith Saiyasombut, CNA, Bangkok.